how to rotate screen on Windows 11. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to rotate your screen in Windows 11. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, just right click on the empty area of your desktop, and after that, you can simply click on display settings. And now here, once you click on it, a window will pop up. So here, once you see the interface like this, what you can do is you can simply scroll down until you find display orientation option. So there, simply scroll down. Now here, once you see the display orientation option, you can just click on the drop down menu and choose the orientation if you like. And there you can select landscape, portrait, and landscape flipped upside down. And with that, you can just confirm your change. And after selecting the option, you can keep changes to apply the new screen rotation. And that's it. That's how you can rotate your screen in Windows 11. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.